Hi, this is Joan of Arc. I'm here at Forest Lake Cemetery at General Santos City, and I'm accompanying a friend. They're right over there. His family is having a funeral rite for their dearly departed loved one. I'm just here. I'm not in proper attire, so I'm just here making this vlog with the word in mind, Lubong. Lubong is Ilonggo word for burial. And by the way, General Santos City and nearby cities is actually Ilonggo country as well, especially Marbel. They've got a huge population of Ilonggo speaking people. So the funeral rite is ongoing. It's called Lubong, and well, the people are mostly wearing white. They're probably family members, and well, I'm not properly dressed, so they're all decently clad, and I'm on tourist mode, so I'm sorry about that. So I'm just here on the fringes observing their ceremony. So the place where you bury your dearly departed, in Ilonggo we call it patay, meaning dead, is called lulubngan. That's where you lubong, or you bury your loved one. It's called a lulubngan. So this is a Christian lubong, a Christian burial ceremony. So in Mindanao, there are various religious groups. There are Christians. So this is a Christian funeral ceremony. There are also Muslims and, well, other religious groups. Sorry. This is Joan of Arc, and thanks for watching. See you in our next video. Bye for now.